My name is Dr. Bikila Nagaza, 48 years old male from Ethiopia, physician by profession. Came to India Rela Hospital in Chennai after having 6 months history of bilateral leg pain. I've been in this hospital 2 years ago nearly. I underwent liver transplant at this hospital and I was on taking drugs and follow-up then after, and currently presented with bilateral hip pain which was progressively worsening, radiating to my both thighs and also back pain. I took some medicine while I was in Ethiopia, and I consulted the Rela Hospital Orthopaedic team, and they suggested bilateral hip transplant after reviewing my clinical data, including MRI both hips. Then I came here nearly 3 weeks ago, and I was seen by Ashok, who saw me, evaluated my clinical data, and immediately tested and referred me to other clinical teams, the liver and anesthesia teams. He suggested admission and to do surgeries. So upon my admission, which within 3 days of arrival, undergone 2 hours of surgery, and then after I had smooth post-operative days as he pre-operatively described to me. It was nearly 2 hours surgery, and nearly it might take me 2-3 days in the hospital. So it was unfortunate that it was on weekends, but after 5 days of hospital stay, I was discharged with some pain. Now currently I'm able to walk unassisted and without walker. So here I would like to thank next to God, Dr. Ashok, just for really relieving me from very severe pain, which has really impaired my clinical practice, and his whole team, and also the management team of Rela Hospital. This is what I would like to say, and God bless them. Thank you all.